Here's going to be a G-Flex Gen 5 trigger install into a Glock 44. You always make sure your gun's clear. Take it down. Then you're going to push out 2 pins. Then from here, you're going to want to lift out this block. Take out your slide stop, slide release, whatever you want to call it. And your trigger will just pop out in one whole piece. So I don't know if it's just the 44, but the ejector they shipped seems to be a lot thicker and everything. So it was not letting magazines sit. All you'll do is just pull it out, put the OEM one pushed in, and then your magazines will sit inside. And that's the only part you have to change. You don't have to tinker with anything else. You shouldn't. So when you're installing it, you just do the steps backwards. So you're just going to work in reverse, push everything back in, install your slide stop release. Was it oily? And the block. Then from here, you just push your pins back inside. And then you will be able to do a dry fire function test to make sure it works the way it should. Let's pull. This is the release. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Only thing you'll have to mess with, at least to put it in a Glock 44, is swapping out the ejector. This is the ejector that came inside the trigger, that came inside of this bag. And the only reason you have to swap it is because your magazines will not sit and lock in. So that's all there is to put a G-Flex and a G44 and make it that much more fun.